Okay. It's really a pleasure to be at Venture Center. If you step back and look the challenges that India is facing, both in terms of healthcare, food and nutrition, sanitation, environment, for all these challenges, biotechnology, medical technology, diagnostics devices, these would provide the solutions for India. And these solutions would actually come from entrepreneurs, from startups who are very innovative and actually taking a risk in building the products for India, and maybe those products would actually go to global geographies as well. In that context, I think what you need to kind of nurture, provide contextual support to these startups becomes very important. And again, in this context, what happens is Venture Center, therefore the role that Venture Center plays is, I would say, is seminal, in a sense that it is not, it's the landing pad, it's the launch pad for many of these startups to grow, to have access to fantastic pool of instrumentation, expertise, as well as networks. And the networks can be clinicians, hospitals, regulatory bodies, networks of investors who can handhold, who can provide the pragmatism that these startups need to have when they are interfacing with the real world, with the real markets. Over the last 10 years, under the leadership of Dr. Premnath, Venture Center has, and his team, Venture Center has actually grown to be the nucleus of not just Pune, but perhaps one of the finest incubator in Asia, with the largest number of startups under one roof. And let's not underestimate what happens when more than 70 startups come under one roof trying to build different kind of products. The kind of, the interactions amongst these startups can also trigger new ideas that can again bring solutions that will change the world. So I would say congratulations, Venture Center, for the work you have done over the last 10, 15 years. And on the foundation that you have created, I see that more successes will come. And I would say that the team is fantastic here. The kind of nurture, support they give combines professionalism, empathy for the startup, which is very important. I think the startup needs, all the startups need a lot of time, somebody to listen to them, and then somebody to actually tell them what is working, what is not working, and importantly, somebody to actually open doors for them. And Venture Center plays all the roles very magnificently. So good luck to Venture Center for future.